Hunter, what are you doing? What you doing over there, bud? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, big lunge. Are you stretching? Hunter, we're filming. Come here, bud. Hunter. Come here. He's not very interested in filming today, huh, bud? But just tell your viewers, oh, I haven't been posting for a month, so this is just my welcome back video, right, buds? Yeah. Huh. Thank you guys for watching. He's pretty lazy because he went for 3 walks yesterday. So yeah, maybe we'll do another video tomorrow, so stay tuned. We will for sure tomorrow because today is Monday, so we will probably tomorrow for Hunter's Tuesday, so hopefully he'll have some energy tomorrow. Bye! Okay, so you probably noticed that I was behind the camera, and you probably recognized my voice from my channel, Abby or Abigail, whatever it is, Hayes. So this next clip is going to be a few of Hunter's TikToks that he did on my account. So I hope you enjoy those.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.